Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 2 of our orientation adventure. Just wanted to give you all a quick summary or review of what you are required to accomplish as far as assignments for week 2. Some of you have already worked ahead, and that's great, but let me just give you others a quick overview of what you were responsible for this week. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. All right, here's our Moodle course. Remember, this is the Moodle environment. You do have lessons. Lesson 1, you just finished. And you can always go back. Please feel free to go back and finish the required assignments. And basically, it's the assignments that are required are a discussion and then the assignment itself. And what the supplemental resources are just, additional information that you need to read. So on to week 2 or lesson 2, these are study skills. Please click on every one of the links, excuse me. It'll give you a review of what's required in an online learning environment, and it'll help you to navigate this particular learning management system. So that was a review the publisher course content booklet. Read Career Edge workbook, and when you click on that, it'll open up a new tab, and this is just basically a study skills workbook that you can go through, and it's all online for you. When you get to the main page, up here at the top are the navigation arrows, so you just click for the next page, and it's kind of like a PowerPoint, very basic slides. So that's the study skills workbook. And then there's the video. Basically, it's a YouTube. And Chris, so I will let you watch that. And then you have your discussion questions. And I took the time when I graded your discussions for week 1. I told you exactly how they are graded. And as I can see, a lot of you have participated in the discussion for week 2. So I will be grading those at the end of the week. Hopefully I clicked on the right, actually it's discussion 2, excuse me, and that's called cultural diversity. So let's go through that, watch the video, read through the steps, and then respond accordingly. All right, so back to the main page for lesson 2. Sorry, I'm scrolling so fast. And here, once again, you do have that Career Edge video. Cultural diversity, and that one's a little bit different. Sorry, I clicked on the week 1, so go ahead and watch that. And then you have your discussion, which is what I just, displayed for you. And then you have your assignment. Remember, these 2 things are required, the discussion and then the assignment. And basically, you're creating a study plan. And you go ahead and click and download the doc. Basically, you download that to your system. If you have a Chromebook, you essentially have to navigate to Office 365 to open it. I don't think many of you are having issues with that, but just to remind you, back in the main page, and this, most of you have seen this in the Moodle environment. At the very top of the page, there's this e-resources, and this is basically where you would click to navigate to your Office 365. It's a link here. You click on here, and then you log in to Office 365, to the login portal, and basically, mine is a little different. Yours will go through your Miller Motte online account. Just go ahead and log in with your email address, and it'll take you to, I'll go ahead and use mine, but you should end up in this particular Office 365 main page where you have all of your applications and it should state good morning and whatever you have for your first name, etc. The one thing to get back, and this is a little tricky, so once you do land at Office 365, I would suggest just opening up a new tab up here in the top on your Google Chrome browser or whatever browser. And then if you have the Moodle environment bookmark, go ahead and click on it, and it should take you back to the orientation. As you see, I have several classes, but back to the orientation, and then you have both environments open at the same time. You have 365 and Moodle. Okay, back to lesson 2. So that's the assignment, and then there's supplemental information. Whoops. And as far as this midterm success plan, that's something that I produce for you. And that's actually after the end of week 2. I send out just a progress report for each student. So once again, we're in lesson 2. Make sure you click on all of the links and watch the videos, read the information, and you're required to do the discussion. You're required to post a main post, and please pay attention to the rubrics that I posted in week 1, and then you're required to respond to 2 of your classmates. And then go ahead and create this study plan based on the document. And let's see, I did not open it, did I? So let me just give you a brief overview. If you have any questions, please email or text or call me. So this document, and I'm just going to open it up in regular Office Word, but you could actually open it up in Office 365. But it's just a study plan. Read through the instructions, fill out the form boxes, and then just resubmit it save it into your file locator on Chrome, if you have a Chromebook, or your regular file location on whatever laptop or desktop you're using. And then you just upload it back into this. Of course, your view is a little bit different than mine, but you will see that you have the opportunity, as you've done before. If you would like to use Google Docs for the study plan, that's fine. Basically, if you're in Google Drive, and you can import or add this doc to Google Drive, and then basically you share it with me. If you have any questions about that, just contact me and I'll walk you through it. Other than that, that's all you're required for week 2. Just keep working, familiarizing yourself with the environment, and you should be fine. Once again, this is Dwight, and this has been our week 2 overview for our orientation. Thanks for your attention.